Hello, everyone. Welcome to another guest internet video. The purpose of this series of videos is to help you configure your guest internet controller. Now, we've covered setting up the controller initially using the setup wizard. We've covered how to log in as the administrator. And so once we've logged in as the administrator, we can start configuring. Before we do any configuration, I want to show you in this video the reports that you have available. Now, the controller has several reports. If you later add the cloud account, which will be the subject of a different video, then you can get additional reports from the cloud. So let's go through the reports. They're on the status section of the menu. If you look on the left-hand side of the screen, we have connected users, we have usage reports and billing reports. So if we click on connected users, this is going to show three sections: IP address issued, connected users, and authenticated users. So what's the difference? Well, the first one, IP address issued. Whenever a device gets in range of your Wi-Fi system, it's going to request an IP address. And so that IP address that's been requested is noted in this table, and also the name of the device is listed here. We also have the MAC address of the device listed here. And now if somebody opens the login page, then they become a connected user, okay? But they're not connected to the internet. It just means that they've connected a device, they've opened the login page, and we see here that they have a status showing us the MAC address, the IP address, information if they're blocked or if they're allowed, okay? Now, when the person enters the access code, which we'll cover in a different video, then that user is connected to the internet, providing the access code is valid, and that user becomes an authenticated user, and so is listed up here in the top section of this report. So this allows us to show who is connected to the network, who is using the internet, and the person who's using the internet, we're also going to see how long they're going to be able to be connected to the internet before their code expires. Also, the data, the amount of data they're using, and the access code they've used. Now, if we go to usage reports, we're going to see some graphical information showing who's been using this service. So it shows the number of logins per day, and it shows the date along the bottom. It shows the login time, so the time that people are connecting to the network and how many people were connected. We have some graphical information about new versus returning customers, and also the types of devices that have been used to access. And then we have a list of the people who connected to the network, the access code, the time they're connected, the amount of data they've been using. And we can actually send this as a report to our email. So we can put our email address. We have to configure the email service, which is in a separate video, but we can actually send that report to ourselves once a day. Now, the next one is the billing report. Now, this is specifically for people who have an older PayPal business account. Unfortunately, PayPal stopped the credit card service for new customers, but we have a lot of older customers who had a PayPal account that was created before June last year. And so they can use PayPal as a method of accepting credit card payments. And so this shows the income, daily income, because you know exactly what people are purchasing. And then it shows a report of purchases. and you can compare this with the PayPal report. Now, for those people who want to use credit card processing, we will have a new credit card system available shortly. And that system, it will have a charge, but you'll be able to use the credit card processor of your choice. Okay, so those are the reports that the controller can generate. Okay, look out for our next videos because we're going to start diving into the configuration information. And if you have any questions, send us a message. We'll be very happy to help you out and answer your questions. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.